tuning in. Thank you all. Thank you so much. So this is one of those shows. Do you ever feel like your to-do list never ends? Yeah, sometimes?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you're not alone because today we're tackling your biggest dilemmas, and we're going to show you how to cure them in no time. So whether you're looking to fight the flab you put on over the holidays, take 10 years off the appearance of your face, or even get your picky eater to pick up a fork, we've got you covered.
Brow lift, 30 minutes. Flat stomach, 60 minutes. Brand new non-surgical procedures. Dramatic results in no time, with no downtime.
That's probably the biggest changes we're seeing in plastic surgery.
Look now at our next no-time procedure. This one's for your flabdomen. You know what I'm talking about.
I had my first child, Isabella. The pregnancy left me with a few extra pounds right around the midriff area, flabdomen. My confidence level has dropped dramatically. I don't really want to go under the knife. It's just a huge recovery period.
The best, in my opinion, non-invasive technique that's available is called the Vaser Shape. The Vaser Shape uses ultrasound. The ultrasound heats the skin up, separates the fat cells. The fat cells are then moved to lymph nodes and excreted from your body. The patient's get an immediate result. Once the treatment's done, you can go to the office and work. You can go take care of your daughter. So there's no downtime. So it's 94 centimeters. We have the suction on 50%, and what we're doing is opening the lymphatic drain. The second stage is using the Vaser Shape ultrasound to remove or fragment the fat cells. We're starting from her mid-hip on one side, moving across the abdomen. This is generating heat. So you can see the heat is enough that it's vaporizing water from the liquid to a gas. What the goal would be is to try to get it between 41 and 43 degrees Celsius where you have maximum results. This is after the first treatment, 90.5, and she started at 94. So that's 3.5 centimeter change. That's 1.5 inches in 1 hour.
So we're here with Catalina.
That's right. How are you feeling?
Feeling great, thank you.
All right, so she underwent this non-invasive procedure to get rid of unwanted extra fat. So before we see her results, let's take a look at how she looked before we started. Okay. And now we're going to show pictures side by side after going through her Vaser Shape procedure. That's a pretty big...
Yeah, great.
And you went through it.
Again.
How'd it feel?
You know, it wasn't bad at all. In fact, I wouldn't say there was much discomfort for the most part. It felt much like having a massage, a warm massage.
And I have a little demo that I want to show. I don't go anywhere without my stress ball here. But let's imagine that this is a fat cell, okay? And what you first do with that handpiece, you apply the heat to that, which is going to make this fat cell more fragile. Then what you do is you apply the massaging part, which actually breaks up. There's a release of fat lipids from this fat cell, lipolysis, and it falls out. This is supposed to be the fat coming out, and then your body naturally clears out that fat that's been broken up.
Wow.
So that's basically the technology.
And we're calling it a no-time procedure, but how long were you in the office for that?
Every procedure lasted about 1 hour. Yeah.
Thank you, Catalina, for sharing.
Thanks.
We also want to send a special thanks to plastic surgeon Dr. Robert Troell, who performed her procedure.